One of the standard features in QuickBooks Pro, QuickBooks Premiere, QuickBooks Enterprise, and QuickBooks Online Plus is class tracking. The class tracking feature is to track both income and expenses for the class you track to be able to run a profit and loss report by class. The class feature is used when a business has one or more of the following needs: more than one business location, different practice areas like in a law firm, departments such as a sales team, divisions in a business like residential and commercial and real estate, individuals in the business that provide a service like plumbers. One of the first things you need to determine before using your QuickBooks product is, do I need to track class income and expenses? If you decide you do need to track class income and expenses, understand this. You will need to utilize that feature for all class income and expenses. If you do not, you will not have an accurate and/or complete profit and loss by class report. Does this mean you will have to enter a class on every transaction in your QuickBooks product? Yes. We do recommend you set up a general account for the business named operating. All expenses that are not assigned to a class that has been set up for tracking purposes, locations, departments, etc., would then be coded to the general account we recommend named operating.